guys, how's it going? My name is Isaac and this is my son Johnny.
Oh yeah.
Today we're going to be cracking open this here JBL Bluetooth clip. We're going to be trying to find out what's inside of this thing. Right, Johnny?
Yeah.
So I think the first order of business though is to open it up, play some music, and see how it sounds first, right?
Yeah.
And then we'll crack it up, see what it's made out of. Alright? See you guys.
See you guys. So we connected it and got some tubies ready to play, and let's see how it sounds. So guys, now we had you waiting, but the wait is no longer. We shall finally crack this thing open, so.
Let's do it. Let's get this little screwdriver here.
And I'm thinking that we should probably pry this open. Because like, other than that, it's like bulletproof.
It's like bulletproof. So let's see what's going on here. We got a little mic cord on the back right there. Get that out. And see what's on there. So we can ooh, you can stop.
Oh, I cracked it a little bit. We're getting somewhere.
Okay.
Okay, we got the first cracks.
Alright, so we got the first crack over here. Johnny got the shell here on the top. Looks like it's made out of some kind of looks like it's made out of some kind of, what did you say this is, Johnny?
I don't know, maybe like, I'm not sure.
Alright, let's keep going then.
Oh,
we got it out. We got
the top.
And look inside there. We've got the speaker. Look at that. It kind of goes dum, 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 in there. Got that in there. And I don't think I have a Phillips screwdriver with me here. Let's see. I don't have one.
Let's just try it with this. Okay, so I got the Phillips screwdriver. So
let's try to. We got a couple screws here that we want to unscrew here. Let's go with this one here. Oh, I think I turned it on. Let's turn it back off.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Things in here. I think I still got this thing on. Oh, now it's off.
Alright.
We got the speaker in here. And just a few more little screws right in there. Looks like, see all those little silver screws?
We should probably get those open. Alright, so we got one screw out.
Two screws.
Two screws?
Yeah, two screws out.
Two screws.
You know what? I got 3 screws, Mike. There's a thing.
Yeah.
So I got 3 screws out.
Wait, let me check.
So we got here. You get it up.
I got some screws.
Oh, there goes.
Get in.
Get in, get in. Fingers. Fingers. Oh, we got here. I know. I think we're out. Let's see that.
Okay guys, so we have all of the screws out, and now it's time to pop this open. Oh.
What do you got in there? Oh, look at that, guys. Look at that. Show them.
Look at that.
Look at all those components in there. Looks like the speaker is connected to like a motherboard of some kind. And let's see. Let's take a look. Let's you know what? Let's destroy this thing. Boom! Take that out. Now we got just the bottom shell here, and with the motherboard is connected to this adapter cord here on the outside to connect to your phone or wherever it is you want to connect it to. And
should we pop out the?
Let's see if we can pop out this motherboard. Looks like it's screwed in with a few different screws, like as you can see.
Okay, so here is like where you see here is a power button, and here is where it is on the inside. Don't know if you can see that, but it's a focus.
Right. There it goes.
Yeah.
All right, let's use the screwdriver and get this little motherboard out of here. Here we go. All the screws are out. Oh, look at that.
Oh.
We got that out. Ooh, it's still on. Look at the little blue light right there. We still got it going. Probably should turn this off right here. The internal battery. Press and hold that.
Right.
There's a battery, but there you go. There's that. Gotta be careful with that battery, buddy. Here's the speaker that we took out. Tiny little speaker. Pumps out a lot of noise. Pumps out a lot of music. And the JBL cap that went on top of the speaker. So, buddy, what do you think?
Pretty cool.
It is pretty cool. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.